Hello students, welcome once again, and today we solve this question. It's on rational numbers. So we have, it says we should write 3.222. It is in a recursive form, in a form a over b, where a and b are integers and b shouldn't be equal to 0. So with this, what we are going to do is that we let a variable, so we let a variable called, let's say r being the rational number, be equal to this 3.22222. Yeah, so when we have this variable, then it is in a one decimal place. So with two decimal place, we can have 3, 2, and we can have 0.222222, and this recursive. So this is divided by 10, and it's still the same as this, because if I move to this side, is two decimal place, then I divide by 10. When I go to the third time, I divide by 100. So no matter how you do it, you still arrive at the same answer. Either you go to 3 decimal place, 4 decimal place, it doesn't matter. So with 1 decimal place over that, now with this we can cross multiply. So we cross multiply, so we have 10r because it's over 1, then we cross multiply. So we have 10r being equal to 32.22222, and let's call this equation 1, and let's call this equation 2. Now what we're going to do next is to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We have 10r being equal to 32.22222. Then we have r here as 3.22222. Then we are subtracting. So in all of this, we have 10r minus r is just 9r being equal to 32 minus 3 is just 29. Then all of this goes to 0, because 2 minus 2, all that thing goes to 0. Now if we want to find the value of r, we divide both sides by r. So we get rid of that, and we therefore have r being equal to 29/9. So this is what we have for the value of r, and we can further leave our answer in a mixed fraction form. So 9 goes into 29, 3 times. Then we have our 9 here. Then with a remainder of 3, because 9 times 3 is 27, plus 3 is 29. Okay. So we have this. Alright. So now the question says we should write this in a form of that. So we are writing it in a form of a over b. So writing this in a form of a over b is just this. So we have r being equal to a here. So we have r being equal to a over b, which is basically 29/9. So therefore we have our 3, 2, 2 here being equal to 29/9, where a is just 29 and b is just 9. Alright, so thank you very much, and we'll meet for another section.